Floor tile design pictures. Slate is a type of natural stone, which means that it was quarried directly from the face of a towering mountain range. That gives it a sense of power and dignity that can only be faintly simulated in faux resilient pieces. At the same time, it has a rugged individuality that is portrayed in both its color hue mix and its texture diversity. In some cases, personality is more prized than perfection when choosing stone tile for a floor. In this upscale Tuscan-style restaurant, a rustic travertine material was chosen due to the unique formations of textural breaks, which serve to give the surface a distinct look that is particular to every square foot covered. This is further enhanced through the use of slightly contrasted border squares and lines, which serve to add human artistry to the aesthetic appeal. Ceramic is a very hard clay-baked material that is coated in a melted glass glaze which serves to both protect and decorate the surface of each piece. The printing techniques used on these tiles are quite sophisticated, allowing manufacturers to achieve bright, striking, or complex hues and patterns that can completely transform the look of a room. In this picture, the tiles have been printed with a symmetrical four-sided design that intersects at the center when each piece is properly oriented. That creates a look that has a sense of fluidity, with the trace lines trailing from one square to the next without restriction from borders, grout, or break. That sophistication belies the simplicity of the white on black contrast, adding depth to the subtleties of the look. In this image, we see a bathroom that is bathed in subdued gray ceramic tiles. The colors, while flowing gently, are relatively uniform in look, giving the space a clean, uncluttered feel that opens it up, while also adding hints of dramatic pause to the visual field. This is then extrapolated outwards through the use of matched backsplash pieces, which literally coat the room in solid hues and strong bodies elements, to create a majestic splendor that does not detract from the decorative and functional accessories that populate its presence. This picture shows the historic beauty of tile design, displaying the black and white checkerboard floor pattern found in Eutin Castle, located in the historic city of Eutin, Germany. This seemingly basic look is invigorated with a bright and complex blue-white tile backsplash, which coats every surface in the room, adding kinetic glamour to the otherwise subdued space. This interplay of movement, simplicity, and pattern balances perfectly to create a cottage feel that harkens back to decades past. The tiles used in this elegant living room are ceramic pieces, manufactured with an off-white earthen hue that is seemingly random, though its complexity does repeat if each piece is examined closely enough. The relaxed nature of these colors plays against the white canvas of the accompanying furniture pieces to create a sense of warm invitation that has enough interest to draw the eye, without causing unwanted distractions. The bathroom in this picture has a reserved look that is evoked by the soft tan and off-white colors that dominate the walls, accented with white painted molding pieces that act as crowning pinnacles to the gentle flow of hues and tones. The ceramic tile flooring complements this, hinting at those same shades, while also giving them a flowing kinetic value that sparks and bursts in tiny flames beneath the entire scene. The washroom is then framed dramatically by dark, solid wood features that serve as borders to the overall look. Mosaic tile installations can be quite complex, comprising thousands of tiny chips inserted by hand to evoke a larger, overall image that is made dimensional through the broken clutter of its constituent parts. In this picture we see such a scene, with exquisite design details that elevate the look of the area, giving it a historical context that is powerful, evocative, and uncompromising in its multifaceted display. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.